Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Sleepless, everywhere I turn I'm seeing madness. Why won't anybody come in and this before it all crumbles to dust? Breathing slowly as I watch the fire burning. All I see are broken people hurting. This is the absence of love. Tell me I'm lost. Tell me I'm blind. But why is there an endless void that's swallowing the light? Have we grown cold? Losing our faith. How could we just walk away when we could be the change? Watching all the bullets on the front lines. Why would we do this to